Welcome to the HostVenom YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will cover changing your remote desktop username and password. We'll assume that you're logged into your remote desktop already. If you are not logged into remote desktop, we have a tutorial video covering that. A link is in the description. We will start off by searching for the Computer Management app in Windows and launching this program. In the new program, we will go to System Tools and select the arrow next to Local Users and Groups, and then select the Users folder. We will right-click the username we want to update the name or password for. To update the username, we will select the Rename option, enter a new name, and then press Enter on the keyboard. To change the password, we will select Set Password, enter our password twice, and select OK. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy computing!